From Range Rovers to old office chairs, from grass to grass. So goes the story of Marychiwenga. Welcome back to your channel. Pamunodziwana dzinopisa nedzinonaka. Mary was spotted on an old office chair last week from court as she could not afford a simple wheelchair. What has become of the general to let the mother of his kids be a laughingstock? Is the new wife immune to Mary's fate? That's what we want to discuss today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Maybe since she is a soldier herself and a fine one too. Kondakanzwa kuti ndi doctor Chiremba, PhD holder. She's also the government linguist, something like that, or the army linguist from 2009. I mean, Mary used to be fine as well too. I'm Boami, Zimbabwe, and she could afford to buy the whole of foreign park if she wanted. She had Zimbabwe at her feet. But hey, chaiseva ameno uti chakudi. We feel for her. Dai mwari vapindira havo. Amen. So that we get a wheelchair for her. Agofamba onyore. Zvinonyadzisa sei kuti unobuda mukoti wakabatiranwa. Vanhu vakakusumudza vachirola necheya yemuoffice. Asi ivo vari mupower, atimbotaura nyaya. Ivo vari mupower. Didn't they save shoma yekuitira days akadai, or they thought they were going to be in power forever? Or maybe we are being too hard. Maybe her reign was short-lived. Asi vakamboburitsa $1,000,000 to buy a house in Pretoria and Range Rover aya anga asingaperi. But hey, chisingaperi chinoshura. Meanwhile, ivo VP vari kuita best life with wife. Umwe mwana achidai. Zvakaoma, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.